Everybody, hope we're all good. So today just got a quick tutorial on chat moderation and how to protect yourself in stream. This you protect yourself from stuff like follow bots, graphic, people that try and sell the graphic designs to you, hate speech, racism, stuff like that, and malicious links that can be put into chat. So there's a few tools that we can use for this, and I'm going to have a quick look at a few of them. If there's any that you think I've missed, feel free to drop into chat below, and we can. It'll be interesting to see how other people protect themselves in chat. So obviously, one of the key things is your moderators. That's what they're there to help you. It's people that you trust, and they've got mod tools. One of the good things you have on Twitch is that you can delete messages, you can time people out, ban them if necessary. But obviously you don't want to be switching between your Twitch stream and your OBS because it can ruin the motivation of the stream and get in the way. But you can do all them actions, moderation actions through OBS. You simply scroll down to your chat settings. At the top you have show mod icons and show the moderation icons. So you turn them two options on. So then say if you get to bot in chat or someone coming in and saying with hate speech or just someone that's making you feel uncomfortable and you don't want that message in your chat, that talk in your chat. So you had someone coming in with some hate speech, some suspicious links, just basically an annoyance. You now have the mod options, so you can just ban the person, time the person out if they're just being a bit too much, but they're not breaking rules, you just want them to sort of take a step back. You can use Twitch's new warn feature, which makes them they then cannot talk in chat until they have acknowledged the warning and agreed to behave, basically. And you can just delete your message, so you just simply delete, and that message is deleted. Delete. Or if they've got a lot of messages and you want to get rid of them all, simply time them out and it deletes every message from that user in your chat. So that's just a few tools that you can do in chat. Obviously, ideally that'd be something your moderators are doing to stop you breaking focus, breaking the sort of running of your stream. But they're not always available. They're not always, or they may be doing something themselves and they didn't catch it. So another tool that you have another tool that we have is, say if you've been hate raided or follow botted, you can simply turn on shield mode. This is a Twitch built-in thing. So it completely clears your chat for non-moderators, and whatever settings you set in your shield mode, which I'll look at in a bit on Twitch, will then be turned on. Stuff like subscriber only mode, follow only mode, slow chat, emote mode. It basically locks down your chat and stops whatever was happening. I don't want to turn that on right now. A lot of streamers will also have it set so that as soon as they finish stream shield mode is turned on to stop any hate speech and stuff like that happening in your chat when you're offline. Because I don't know if this is still the case, but at one point you were still responsible for your chat even if you're not live on Twitch. Again, it might have changed. Correct me if I'm wrong. But it's a simple enough thing to do. I have an action in streamer bot that turns it on automatically for me. Or you can just press the shield bar button as you finish stream. So that's another good tool that's out there is Seribot. So Seribot is a really useful bot on Twitch that protects you from hate raids, being botted. Well, it protects you from it as best as it can. To get Seribot in your chat, you simply go to your Twitch chat and then give Seribot the moderator role in your chat, which is done by /mod Seri_bot. You then come to the Seribot's Twitch channel, which is constantly live. You don't have to worry about that. And then you just type !join in chat like this. Obviously, it's already in my chat, so it won't. It should bring up a message or something saying that it's in. Yep. and then you just follow the instructions it gives you. It's quick, simple 5-minute job. Simply just authorizing it. You just go read down, just double check you're okay with everything and press authorize. That's done. I'll bring you back to the channel, and it's now a mod in the channel. If you haven't moderated it, you'll see a message there that another user has just received. It looks like I'm not modding your channel, so that's just sort of a reminder to moderate. And then Seribot will then, it's designed to block all known bot accounts. It stops if you suddenly get a mass influx of followers. I believe it helps with that, because that'll be follow botting. And there's quite a few other tools it can do. There's documentation. I'll leave a link in below to the Seribot website where you can find out what it does, and also the Twitch chat so you can find it. So another good thing to set up is your Twitch stream moderation settings. So to do that, obviously this is the creator dashboard, which all Twitch streamers will be familiar with, as you need it set up. So if you go to your creator dashboard, down to settings and moderation, you've got a lot of tools here that you can help you protect your chat, and it stops a lot of the issues occurring in the first place. One key thing I always do, I did straight away, is I blocked hyperlinks. So obviously you can also ensure that only verified people can join your account, join your stream. I have mine set to, some chatters must have a verified phone number, which helps stop a lot of bots and stuff. Verified emails. Set your chat rules so there's no confusion. If they are entering your chat, the first time you enter someone's chat, there's that little box that pops up, isn't there, that tells you what you must do. The chat rules. That's what that is. And then there's obviously the other stuff. Another great tool is the blocked terms and phrases. Obviously, I'm not going to show you the full list, because there's a reason some of these are blocked. But adding phrases like looking for more viewers and high ranking on Twitch, best viewers on, cheap viewers on. See, best viewers on again, so there's that little symbol underneath it that's part of the E, makes that a different phrase. I believe on that one of the letters is again a slightly different variant. The cheap, the H has a little accent above the H, making it a different phrase, so would get past your block phrases. So best thing to do is if you get their message in chat saying best viewers, buy viewers here or something like that, copy and paste that message and enter it into your blocked phrases, because that'll then stop the next batch of bots from coming into your chat and doing it. And then fingers crossed, it helps protect you. So yeah, like I said, they're just 4 real key things that can help protect you and protect new streamers. So you've got your mod tools in chat, you've got your shield mode, you've got Seribot, and you've got using Twitch's own moderation tools. If you have any other tools that you use, feel free to let me know down below, because it might be something better than what I use, or you might have better methods. And as always, if you've enjoyed this video, if it's any help to you, drop a like and subscribe. It helps me grow the channel. So hopefully I can keep doing this, because I enjoy learning through teaching. Hope you have a great day. Bye guys.